Sup, we're back in up, hey guys, here's Drill 1 entering Waverly Yard right now. There he is. Bunch of bike cement cars and a bunch of gondolas from that's different. Never seen that before. Bunch of gondolas from Holland. Do you think it's from mid-Michigan possibly? Lots think it's from mid-Michigan. Lots more gondolas. That's pretty cool. Big train today, guys. Holy smokes. Still more gondolas from, he's going to be dropping off half of his train here. Tail end looks to be all Hartford cars mixed in with us. Hard to say though. Really hard to say. Yeah, here comes some Hartford cars at tail end. CSX. Pino, that's old here. Gondola. That's pretty cool. Yeah, these are our own Hartford cars right here. FERX, BNGX, bunch of others. All Hartford cars. There's the entry, guys. There it is. There it slowly goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Railfaning and out. So, we're back in the big guys. I'm Railfaning Landon. There is CSX Y121. Just got back from Zealand with one empty bulkhead, as you can tell. There goes the crossing gates right there. Anyway, one empty bulkhead, one loaded bulkhead, or one empty center beam, one loaded bulkhead. Loaded bulkhead is for some lumber manufacturer on the other side. Almost Hamilton, oh. So, yeah. Almost Hamilton. There's a caboose right there. And there goes crossing gates right now. They're down. Here we go. Where's Columbia car right there? Look at that dum-dum. Cut right in front of the 6137, there he goes. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Railfaning Landon out. Sup, we're back in the big guys. I am Railfaning Landon. Here is CSX M326 with 119 freight cars. You heard it right, 119 freight cars. Here he is. I see headlights any second now. There he is. Yes, I am using my GoPro, yes. There he is. Lots of refrigerator cars heading back. Empty. That's pretty cool. He's moving, guys. Oh, man. CN line. CSX, brand new BM stuff right there. Bars. B&O chassis. Two brand new CSX gondolas right there. Another CSX gondola, brand new. He's still moving, guys. Oh man. Two old CSX transportation gondolas right there. 1 and 2 right there. Sioux line, I think, right here. No? Maybe it used to be. Or maybe not. Bunch of old CP cars, and there's the entering, guys. There it is. Any second. Lots of low grain cars at the tail end here, guys. Oh, there's the end right there. There it goes. Okay, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Railfaning Landing out. Sup, back in over, guys. I'm Railfaning Landing. Here's CSX L Drill one right now. 2 engines is all he has. No freight cars behind it. Just white power 2 engines. There he is. There he is right now, guys. He's moving. Guys, oh man. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Railfaning Landing out.